Okay, so we're back on AIAgentStore.ai, our usual spot for this stuff. And I've landed on one called Seadance AI.
Seadance AI,
Yeah, and it's making a pretty bold claim right out of the gate. It calls itself an independent creative platform.
which, that's often just marketing speak for we crammed a bunch of features into one place.
Exactly my thought. I'm always a little skeptical of that all-in-one label. A jack of all trades is usually a master of none.
Right.
But looking at the workflow they lay out here, it does seem like they're targeting a real pain point, which is just tab fatigue.
The classic problem, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's just fragmentation. You're making images over here, then you jump to another tool for video, and a third one for editing.
Uh-huh.
Seadance is trying to, consolidate all of that. So it does text to video and image to video, but it also handles your standard text image generation
Right, in the same interface.
in the same interface.
And I think that integration is the real hook. The idea that you can generate, say, a static image of a character and then immediately animate it with motion controls without ever leaving the app.
It just creates a much more fluid workflow.
Yeah.
I could see this being really useful for content creators, maybe designers, who need to storyboard or mock something up really fast. You're not
Yeah.
losing your train of thought or, file quality by jumping between different programs.
And for anyone listening who manages social media, I'm seeing two features here that look genuinely practical for making viral content:
Yeah.
face swap and background changing.
That's a smart move because a lot of these generative tools are just about making something totally new from scratch.
Right.
These are editing tools.
Yeah.
If you need to put a specific person's face on a generated video or quickly swap a product background, doing that natively, that saves a massive amount of time.
Okay, so let's talk about the agent part of this. We always look at how much the AI is actually doing for you. The autonomy level here is listed as 37%. And at first glance, 37% might sound, I don't know, like it's barely doing anything. But why is that number actually a good thing here?
Well, because with creative work, you don't always want full autonomy, right?
You want control.
Exactly. High autonomy means the AI is making the creative calls. A score like 37% suggests it's semi-autonomous. It does the heavy lifting, the rendering, the pixel pushing, the motion,
Yeah.
but it's completely dependent on your prompts, your instructions.
Since it's a collaborator, it's not a replacement. I'm still the one directing the show.
Precisely. It's not going to initiate a task on its own. It's just waiting for your vision.
Okay, that makes sense. So what's the barrier to entry here? What's it going to cost?
It's a freemium model.
Standard.
Yeah, it uses a credit system. But the thing that really separates the paid plans from the free one is the commercial use support.
Oh, that's huge for agencies or anyone doing client work.
It's essential. If you're using this stuff for an ad or a client project, you absolutely need that legal clearance on the usage rights.
You can't just run with a free trial output for a national campaign.
Not a good idea, no.
So, wrapping this up, if you're just tired of juggling 5 different AI subscriptions, this seems like a pretty solid consolidation play.
It's all about efficiency. Just keeping that entire image and video workflow in one single lane.
You can check it out for yourself. The link is right there, AIAgentStore.ai. And hey, a quick thank you to everyone who's been rating the show lately. We really do appreciate it.
Just remember one thing. If the tool makes the execution instant, your value isn't in the labor anymore. It's all about your taste.
Catch you next time.